Looking for Backflow Preventer Valve Services in Fort Saskatchewan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert installation, testing, maintenance, and repair to keep your water supply safe and compliant. Our certified technicians ensure your backflow system meets Fort Saskatchewan's water safety regulations, protecting homes and businesses from contamination risks. Whether you need routine testing or urgent repairs, we offer fast, reliable service to keep your system running smoothly. With over 10 years of experience, we're the trusted choice for Backflow Preventer Valve Services in Fort Saskatchewan. Don't take chances with your water supply. Trust the experts at Kingstree Plumbing to keep it protected.